Okay, so here I did quick rig to rig this character. I use Rigify, so I'm going to show you what the program lies here. So let me go to post mode and post this character for you to see. You can see when I move this eye, the eyeball is moving, and if I open the jaw, the teeth also follow, and it works fine. But when you generate the shaping, the teeth and the eyeball will not follow. This is the reason. This happened to the new collection because earlier the blender was using layers and now it has changed to collection here. So let me show you how this one is working. When I select the eyeball, you can see when I go to object and relation, it's using relation to control the eyeball. It does not use the vertex group. But for the eyebrows, you can see it has just parent to the rig. For the body, it has just parent to just the rig. But for the eye, it has parent to a bone. You see, it just parent to a bone. It just need to parent to a rig. So let me show you how you can fix this. So the first thing you have to do is let's select those object that is doing so, that has parent to a bone, like this one and this one, and the upper and the lower teeth, and left and the right eyeball. These are the four objects that usually happen to it. So the first thing you have to do is press Alt plus P and choose clear and keep transformation. This will clear all the relationship from this object. So from now, when you move this, you see that object will not move, and when I push this, it will move along again. Okay, so the next step we are going to do is select the armature and let's go to bone here. Let's go to bone data and we have the collection here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the ORG collection and the deformation. Let me hide this one for now. Let's go to edit, okay, and this one x-ray view. Select this bone. Okay, this is the ORG-eye.L. Let's go to bone and check this one, deform. Select this one to the ORG-eye.R, the right eye, and check deform. Okay, so let's go here and select this one, the ORG-T, and check deform, and this one too, let's make it deform. So when you make a bone a deform, it will appear on the vertex group, because when I search for eye, you can see the eye is not appearing here because it's not deforming. So the next thing I'm going to do is just select the character rig. So here we can just hide this one, and let's bring the face back because we have finished that part. Select the eyeballs, the upper and the lower teeth, and shift the select the armature and press Ctrl plus P, and this one choose with empty groups. Once you choose that, when you see the eye pop somewhere, just click on keep transformation and it will keep the transform. So let's select the upper teeth, and when you go here, we can see now we have this vertex group that has been added. So this is the upper teeth, and let's go to edit and press A, select all the vertices, and let's assign this one to teeth B, or this teeth T, and assign it. Let's select the lower teeth, and this one we assign it to teeth B. Select the eyeball, and there is the left eye, and let's assign this one to eye left, and this one will go to eye right. Now let's go and pose this character and see how it works. So when I open the jaw, now you can see it opening. So right now it's not using deform, it's not using relationship. Like you can see now it's using parent object, it's not using bone. So right now let me reset this. So here when I select this and click on rename and I change this one, I'm going to register all these objects. Click on transfer, and so right now if you can go and download the new version. I have updated this add-on. We have show reference. Show reference means it's going to show how this post will be look like. You can just go to post mode, so just change this one to image editor. If you change this one to image editor, and you can click on show reference, and this will show you what this post supposed to look like. Okay, this I look down, and this how I look down supposed to look. And when you go this I squint left, this how it's supposed to look. Okay, this eye wide. So after you're done, you can just clear this one to remove this reference from here. You can switch back to outline. So this is just a quick tip I just gave you. This is the new update. So once you have finished this, just go and click on generate shaping. So right now, after that generate, just click make arcades, and now we're going to clean this way. Done. So let me go and test if it is working. Let me go to select the eyeball and make eye look down. Now you can see it is working. Okay, let me go jaw open. Let me hide this. I need a teeth jaw open, and you can see now it is working here. So this is how you have to do it before it can